Use the included wrench to remove the motor screw like this. Remove the screws of the motor wires. Unplug the motor wires connected on the control board. Press the clip on the wire to remove it. Lift up the lower cover. Locate the motor screws here and remove them. Find a solid object to hold the cabin. Remove the motor screws here. Remove the rod. Remove the screws on the back of the motor plate. Install the motor. Step 1. Align the holes of the motor plate and the motor. Keep the screws here. Turn the motor plate screw clockwise to secure the motor plate. Tighten the screws. Lift the motor compartment. Step 2. Align the holes of motor plate to the frame. Step 3. Hold the motor and insert the screw rod into the aligned holes. Step 4. Put the motor belt on the slot, like this. Hold it between the motor and the roller. Lay the motor belt flat and keep it straight. Find this long screws. Step 5. Turn the screws clockwise under the frame here to secure the motor. When turning the screws, the motor will sag. The motor belt will also be tightened at this time. When turning the screws, check the motor belt if it is tightened. Step 6. Align the frame and the lower cover. Step 7. Install the nut to secure the rod and the motor. Use the wrench included to tighten the nut. Tie the wires together with clasps. Step 8. Screw the screws back in to secure the wires to the frame. And tighten the screws here to secure the ground wires yellow and green to the frame. Step 9. Plug the motor wires black and red back into the control board. Plug the motor red wire into the far left side of the control board, follow the original direction. Plug the black wire next to it. Step 9. Install the top motor cover and test the treadmill for proper operation.